Good evening, afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome back. Glad you could make it. Today we are going to do a quick little unboxing of the Marantz MPM-3000. Yes, this microphone right here you're already hearing. So let's dive right in. I decided to buy a second one of these for some upcoming interviews because I've been pretty happy with what I've had. I like the sound of it. I like the look of it. And I like the price. See if I can turn it over a few more times, make everybody a little dizzier. So it's a nice case. Oddly, the feet are a little uneven. The other one didn't do that. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so right out the gate we have our pop filter. And some documentation and instructions. Extra padding to protect the microphone while it's in storage and shipping. The actual microphone. We'll take a closer look at that in a moment. Loose little thumb screw. And a little baggie with some extra springs and an extra thumb screw, and then the case, which could probably fit two of these microphones comfortably in it. All the foam is glued in, so it would take a bit of effort to try to get it reconfigured to fit two, but you could probably do it, and I probably might go through the effort. But goes together pretty quick and easy. Drop the pop filter in and then find the thumb screw and fiddle with it a little bit. I'm normally a little more coordinated than this. I think I've had too much coffee today. Look at this. I'm really excited to be able to get these interviews going. I've got a couple of them lined up for us that I think will be fairly exciting. So as we look at this thing, it's got a lot of good spring mounts on it. You can really could really take quite a bump without really affecting the sound. It comes with an adapter already in it to adapt from 5/8 to 3/8. If it's a little tight in there, you just need like a coin or something to pop it out. But a pretty standard little adapter. The tilt adjustment on it is reversible. In fact, on the microphone here, I do have it flipped over for a top-down mount. So as you pull this screw out, this thumb screw, there's a little fitting in here. You need to kind of wiggle loose, and then you can flip the whole thing over and put it back together. It has a notch in it so that you don't put it in out of position. and it does have some coping and things built into it to center it properly. But you can put it in backwards even with the notch. In fact, I think I did put this one back together backwards, but it seems to be holding just fine, so I probably won't fix it until I flip it over again. But yeah, it's a pretty good microphone. We can go over some of the specs here if we like. It's a cardioid pattern, little over 180 degrees, although it picks up my little parakeet over there pretty well. You can probably hear it chirping from time to time, and it's clear over in this section about 12 feet away and not really chirping very loudly. I don't even notice it, but the microphone picks it up just fine. It's got 20 to 20,000 hertz response, negative 36 decibels plus or minus 2 dB, and then a bunch of other information. 100 ohms of impedance plus or minus 30% at 1 kilohertz with a plus or minus 1,000 ohms. Not a lot of noise on it, 13 decibels or dBA. 81 decibel signal to noise ratio. It does require phantom power, and then some other dimensions on it and whatnot. But anyway, there's our little oh, there we go. That's the unboxing. Real simple, short and sweet. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. I've started migrating my, or rather duplicating my videos onto Library. I'll probably also put them on Odyssey, even though they're kind of the same. You know, censorship's a bit of a concern of mine. Don't think it's necessary on a platform like this to be censored. And, you know, as long as you're not throwing out hate speech or, you know, outright disinformation or, you know, exploiting people regardless of age or gender, you know, then there's no reason to censor it. And unfortunately, YouTube's demonstrated they want to censor based on people's opinions and people's stances, and I'm not okay with that. So I'm going to be on more than one platform, and you're welcome to join me there. I'll try and put links in the descriptions of my videos, and you can come follow me there. A lot of other content available that I've seen so far that probably not going to come across your search here, so come check it out. I'll put a link in the description. Have a nice day. Don't forget to call someone you care about and let them know what they mean to you, and we'll see you next time.